Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and let me show you how to block a number. First of all, open your phone dialer. Now select More icon and click on Settings. Go to Block Numbers, and as you can see, you've got several options. You can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself, just provide it here, and tap on Block. To unblock it, just mark a cross icon and confirm it by tapping on Unblock. Then let's go back, because you can also block some particular number from contact list. Just mark the contact that you want to block, select More icon, and mark Block Numbers. Tap on Block, and that's it. From now on, this contact is blocked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.